Using the tools in the timeline, you can show, hide, and lock layers to help you work more efficiently in Flash. To do that, look under the icons of the eye and the lock in the timeline. Below those icons, you'll see a dot for each layer. So we have a dot for each layer under the eye, and then a dot for the lock. The dot for the eye shows and hides the layer. The dot for the lock locks and unlocks the layer. So for the plant layer, if I click under the eye, it will hide the plant. You'll see a red X showing that that layer is hidden. And if I click again, Flash will show the plant. The lock icon enables you to lock artwork down so it cannot be edited. So let's say I wanted to make it so I can't move the plant around. So right now I can click and drag and edit the plant however I want. But if I click the lock icon and I try to mess with the plant, I can't do it. I'm just messing with artwork behind the plant or in front of the plant. Another feature about showing, hiding, and locking is that you can Option or Alt-click the dot to lock every other layer except for the layer that you click. So if I click the icon for Water 1 with the Option key held down, every other layer will be locked, and I can only edit the Water 1 layer. So I can select that and I can make any change that I want. This also works for hiding and showing objects. So I can Option click to only show Water 1 and everything else is hidden. This feature really comes in handy when you only want to edit or select one object or very few objects. So I locked everything else, and now if I just unlock all the water layers, then I can only select the water. So if I click and drag a selection area around all of the water, I have all of the water selected, and then I could cut it, create a new layer, name the layer water, and paste in place all of the water that I just cut. So it's all organized on one layer. So using these commands, I can quickly and efficiently get around in Flash to organize and to edit my artwork.